Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. So today's video is more of a craft with me style video, and I will be using Dollar Tree items to upgrade some signs that I bought years ago. Now you can do these with the signs that they have there today, but a few years back they came out with, I think, the best wall decor signs that they have had. And these are two of them. I have another one that I've kind of already started working on already, so I can't show you that one, but you'll see it in the video. And I have that one over by my hot cocoa station. The problem is that I love these signs so much. I wish that I had grabbed a few more, because what I started to notice is that year after year, as I'm taking them out, they are curving. The corners are just wrecking a little bit, the paper's coming up, and I don't want to lose these signs. I want to keep putting them up year after year because I love them so much. So I am going to be using Dollar Tree items, there's two, to make these signs look nicer. Like I said, give them a bit of an upgrade, and I guess in a way preserve them so that I can enjoy them year after year. So if you care to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Okay, so the two items that I'm going to be using, possibly three. I just want to first see what the piece looks like before I decide whether I want to add the third item. I probably will, but the first item here, I have the Dollar Tree 11 by 14 inch photo frame. And I'm so excited that I was able to find the frame in the natural wood, faux wood look finish. And I could only find three, but three is exactly what I needed because I had three signs. So three of those, and then I have the natural wood slices by Craft Medley. And I do have quite a few of them. I did buy these probably in the spring, and I knew I wanted to do something with them because I love decorating with natural wood. So I knew there was going to be a project that I was going to use these for, and today is the day. So I have quite a few packs. I'm not sure how many I'm going to use for each picture. I guess I can count that later on if you want to know if this is something that you might want to try out for yourself. Also, I do have some ribbon. Now these I picked up at Dollar Tree, and when I saw these, I grabbed as many bags as I could. Now this is going back a few years, but Dollar Tree has a variety of ribbon that you can pick up. These are some of them. This one I love. It's a little bit thicker, I think, for what I want to use if I use a ribbon for this, but there's a large variety there. But these were a great deal. They were bags of probably just ends of ribbons that were put together, like a value pack. So it was a great deal. So I may use some of this ribbon if I decide to, again, put a ribbon on top. So I'm gonna set this video to some music because it's just basically gonna be me putting the sign inside of the picture frame and then gluing these wood slices all the way around. So let's my signs inside of my frame, and I ended up leaving the jute twine so it just sticks out from the back. But you don't have to leave that. You can definitely just hang it up from the hardware that's on the back of the frame. I just left it because I hang these signs on the 3D command hooks and it just hangs nicer with the jute twine. But I can let it fall in behind if I decide that I don't want to hang it that way. And the holes in the sign, you're not going to see those because the wood slices are, I'm pretty sure, going to cover that up. At least I can make it cover it up. So you're not going to see that. So I decided to leave mine, but I just thought I'd share that with you guys in case you decide to do the same. Okay guys, no, I haven't glued it all together already. I just decided that I was gonna lay everything out first, so this way I know exactly how I want my picture to look. So I love this. I love the look of this. And I'm simply gonna just take my hot glue. I'm not using E6000 glue for this because it should adhere good with the hot glue. I'm gonna glue all of the pieces onto the frame, and 1, 2, 3, I will complete them and then show you what they look like on my wall. Here are my new and improved wall art from Dollar Tree, and how amazing do they look now. It's everything I wanted to do with these wall art signs from Dollar Tree. It gives that woodsy, woodland, cottage feel, and I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. So I did use some of the ribbon in that value pack that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I added the green and red bows to the tops of these pieces of art now. It's also great because this one here in particular had a bit of glitter on it, And now I don't have to worry about the glitter. I am so pleased with how these turned out. And then I have my hot cocoa bar sign. And I also love how it's in the right direction. Here you can see the arrow. It says on the farm, warm up here on the farm. And then the arrow points to where I have my hot cocoa bar set up. So it worked out perfectly. I love how these turned out so much. I'm so glad that I finally took the time to update these and make these what I always wanted them to be. So I guess it was just an idea for if perhaps you guys have some signs from the Dollar Tree that you love as well, and maybe you just want to bring them up a notch, and this is a great way to keep those signs in tip-top shape for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed the DIY. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.